up, everybody? It's Ralph with Pondscapes, and we are out in Mesa, Arizona, actually at the foothills of a beautiful mountain range just beyond those houses, so you can't see that. So anyways, what we are up to today, we're gonna demo out this old concrete waterfall, and we're gonna create a beautiful triple piece of the stacked slate urns. We're gonna do one medium and two smalls. So we'll have a cool little trio, lights. It's gonna be fantastic, and best of all, very, very low maintenance. No more treating this water with chlorine and having mosquitoes build up in a stagnant body of water. Check it out. Okay, Luke, I'm gonna let your jackhammer have a break. It's time to go to this guy.
Patrón.
Okay, so that wrecking ball helped us out quite a bit. What we were hoping to not be in there is actually in there. So we've got rebar in the concrete, which we almost never see with this type of feature. But whoever built this meant for it to be here forever. All right, so as the guys are out there shaping up the hole and getting that cleaned out, I came over here and mocked up the urns. All right, so this is what I have in mind. So this is gonna go central, right in between those palm trees. And then this one's gonna be towards the outside wall. And this is actually tapering, coming towards the house. What we also have is our plumbing is pre-drilled and everything. We did that before we got to the job site. We've got our hole for our spotlights. That will make things a lot faster and easier for us out in the field. All right, so that's a wrap for us today. We got not as far as I wanted to, but that's okay. We are in a good spot. Dominic and I will be able to finish this out, no problem. Day one, we've got the total excavation complete along with the demo. Tomorrow, we will be ready to rock. Throw in our fabric, our liner, more fabric, rocks, urns. It's gonna be a big show. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, so here we are, day two of the urn project. We are behind schedule, but hey, that's the nature of this. But we've got our fabric in. We've got our liner in, and we've got more fabric. Okay, so check it out. Here is our first layer of fabric. That is laid all the way under the whole entire excavation. Then we've got our liner, again, under our entire excavation. The pump vault, that is the lowest point. That pump is gonna sit right down in there. And then we've got a second layer of underlayment, which is going to protect our liner from corners, from the aqua blocks, vibration from the pump. Now it is time to rock. Dominic, where are your moves? Let's see the moves.
You need to pay, Ralph. You need to pay.
Need to pay?
I need to pay.
It's a dance party, man. You should be grooving. All right, so we've got our locations of the urns mocked up, and I situated this so I maximized the view from the back patio area. So I wanted at a specific angle. So I spray painted around that. Now we're gonna remove the urns and do our boulder rock work behind these guys, and then we can put them back and keep on rocking. So we got our retaining wall mocked up. Now it's time to install the urns and work on the plumbing. Okay, so we've got the urns set in their spots. We've got all the plumbing ran. We got to finish running the conduits for the wire tomorrow, and then we will be up and flowing. All right, so Dominic is working on finishing up running the conduits for the lights. Dominic, show us what you're doing.
You're a bad director.
I'm great. Now go. Go when I tell you to go. Action.
I'm pulling the wire through these conduits, using it as a sleeve.
What conduits? I can't see.
Like I said, you're a director.
Right there, okay. Go ahead.
I'm pulling the wire through the conduits so that when...
And how are you doing that?
This fish tape.
Got a fish tape going through that extra thick conduit. And what are you doing with that? Where's that going?
Out through the side. Over here. Following this other one.
I can't hear you. You're talking to the dirt.
Well, yeah. Following this other one up through here.
I'm gonna take over from here.
Good.
Okay, so what we're doing is we've got conduits going from our light fixtures that are in the top of the urns, and we're gonna run that to one spot. All those leads are gonna go to one spot in a valve box to where if we've got to do any maintenance or change these lights, everything, all the connections are made right over here, and then we just pull it right out and trace a new one in if they ever need to be replaced. That's pretty much what you were saying, right?
Yes. In a nutshell.
In a nutshell. Thank you. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. We've got the urns fired up. You can see the lights are running, so let's go over and take a look at it. All right, so what we have is a triple cluster of the Aquascape Stacked Slate Urns. We've got one medium and two small features. All right, so that's a wrap. On to the next project. I'm gonna kill you.